Hey friends, it's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. So I have some emu and duck meat that I ordered from a farm in Tennessee, and I ordered it a few weeks ago and it came today, and it came frozen on these packs of ice. And so I'm gonna unpack this and I'm gonna show you what I got from AMAROO Hills Emu and Duck Farm. So let's get started and I'll show you what we got. So I know I've talked about this before, but I'm allergic to mammal meat. So I do get a lot of different poultry meats that we don't grow ourselves. I order them from this company called AMAROO Hills, and they have just a great selection of different poultry products. I believe the owner of their company also has the same alpha-gal syndrome that I have, and so we trust them that their products are going to be safe. So let me show you here what all we have. So I got, these are 1 pound packs of just ground duck, and they're still really frozen solid. They got shipped out, I think 2 days ago, and they're still really, really cold. So I got quite a few packs of ground duck. I want to say I got about 10 of these 1 pound packs of ground duck. Let's see, I'm gonna set them to the side here. I also got ground emu meat. If you can see, this is really dark, almost red like beef. This tastes very similar to beef. And so we eat a lot of emu ground in place of things where we would have beef. So burgers, tacos, that kind of stuff. So I got quite a few packs of that. I think I got 10 of those as well. And then this is a new thing. Sorry, some of this has styrofoam on it. This is goose fat, unrendered goose fat. So I'm gonna be rendering that down and using that fat for cooking. You guys know I like to use duck fat and chicken fat, and so I'm gonna try some goose fat. They also sell goose meat, but I haven't delved into that yet, so I'm gonna try that goose fat. Let's see, there's some more packs of the ground emu there. And that may be all in this container. No, there's more. There's just more ice. Okay, yeah, so we have more of the ground emu here. And I found that to be the most versatile. They do have some other products like sausages, Italian sausage, breakfast sausage, chorizo. But I think for me, if I just buy the plain ground meats, I can always turn them into a sausage of whatever kind that I like. So anyway, so that's this box. Let's go into this one and see what all we have in here. Let's see, can you guys see over here? Let me bring you a little bit closer. All right, there we go. So, okay, next up, I got some more of that goose fat. So 2 pounds of that. So that should render out and give us a nice little bit of fat to cook with. All right, so this is more of the ground duck. Like I said, I believe I got 10 pounds of that. Yep. Oh, and this is the cool thing that I got that I'm really excited to show you. So these are emu bones. These are emu leg bones. You see how big they are. They're really tall poultry. So I'm gonna be using this to make bone broth with. So this will be more similar to like a beef broth for me. So I got several packs of the bones. I think I got 5 packs of bones. They had a sale going on the emu bones, so really cool. Yeah. So stay tuned for a video about making this bone broth again. I do have a video about it, and I'll post it up here, but definitely, you know, check it out if you want to see that. But I'll be making them again, so you guys can follow along with that. So yeah, that's everything that I got. So we have the ground duck, the ground emu, the emu bones, and the goose fat. And yeah, stay tuned for some videos about cooking with that stuff. So see you guys next time here at Row & Co Farms. Thanks for joining us today, guys. If you need further information about recipes or cooking with alpha-gal syndrome, check out my website down below. If you're interested in ordering emu, duck, chicken, ostrich, or goose products, I'm going to leave the link to AMAROO Hills down below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I can't wait to see you next time here at Roe & Co Farms.